Hey, what's up, y'all? It's gonna be something new, y'all. Try it Thursday. Every other Thursday, we gonna try something new, y'all. Now, they say that we should cook these at medium, so we gonna set our stove to medium. And hey, don't forget to give me that LSS. You know what that is, right? That like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Let's get it. So here go our package with our dumplings in it. Now these are vegetable and chicken, and they are pre-steamed dumplings. Now on the back, if you look at these cooking instructions, I don't know if you all can see this, but they're saying to use 3 tablespoons of water and just add your dumplings in at medium. So let's see how this go, y'all. Let's see how this go. So once I get my dumplings added to the skillet, now they say add around 12 to your skillet, and that's what I did. So now we're just gonna let them do what they do, and hopefully they come out tasty, y'all. Now with those come 24 dumplings and 2 packages of soy sauce based seasoning. Now per the instructions, it says go ahead midway through and add our seasoning pack. Now we're just gonna let this steam along with our dumplings. Now our dumplings took approximately 5 minutes in this pan. Now I know things will vary. Now the only thing that I would do different, I think I would have added a little bit more water, because they seem to stick at the end. But that's okay. They still was really tasty, y'all. I couldn't believe how tasty they actually were. So let's go ahead and get them out our pan and plate up. Oh yeah. As my guy from Shotgun 2 say, shout out to you, brother. Yummy to my tummy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So I add me a little bit of extra soy sauce on top. That's just me, y'all. And we gonna give one a taste. And yeah, they tasty, y'all. They tasty. Now, as far as I'm concerned, these have to go on that must-try list. They ain't going on that don't-try list. They going on that must-try list. So check it out. We cut one in half, just so we can see what that filling look like inside. Look at that filling, y'all. That's pretty good. They ain't being cheap with it. Let's go and give this a taste. And like I say, I ate all 12 of these. My wife ain't even tasted. That's a shame, y'all. I'm sorry, honey. Don't y'all? I hope she don't see this video. Y'all make sure she don't see this video. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.